How to make TikTok videos. Hey everyone, this is Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's begin. So there are a couple of ways you can create a TikTok video, and I will decode every single one of those. The first is trying the CapCut template. Find a video that says CapCut and try this template. You just have to tap on it and tap on use template in CapCut. Now once you do that, you have to upload certain photos and video of your own, and just by tapping on use template, a cool video will be made from that template. Isn't it simple? So that is that. Second option is you can go to your search and search for trendy songs. Now TikTok have a lot of trendy songs that you can try on. You can just tap on any song and tap on the audio icon, then use this sound option. Now you can record a video or you can just upload it on your own. Now let's head back and talk about the third option. Now in the third option, what you have to do is you have to upload a media, either photograph or video from your own gallery, and you can use a sound on top of it. For an example, I have selected this video. Now if you choose the sound option from the bottom of the option and choose any song that you want, then a cool video will be formed. Isn't it simple? Now all you have to do is just write a caption and post it on your TikTok, and that's how you create a cool TikTok video. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.